Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share what is quickly becoming one of the easiest daily income 2026 methods I've seen. If you've been looking for something truly simple to create daily income in 2026 without all the usual headaches, then this easiest daily income 2026 opportunity might be exactly what you need. So what makes it the easiest daily income 2026? It's a brand new system where you can earn $200 instant commissions every single day by simply tapping an ATM inside the platform. No complicated setup, no selling, no technical skills required. This really is the easiest daily income 2026 method available right now. You log in, tap the ATM, and get paid instantly. That's literally it. A lot of people are switching to this because most other methods are too hard or take forever to see results. But with the easiest daily income 2026, things are different. It's simple and the commissions come fast. If you want something beginner-friendly that can actually generate real daily income, then this easiest daily income 2026 system is worth checking out. The best part? Because it just launched, the people who get in early are going to have the biggest advantage with this easiest daily income 2026. So if you're ready to start with the easiest daily income 2026, I made it super easy for you. Click the link in the description right now and check out the system. Don't overthink it. This is genuinely one of the easiest daily income 2026 methods I've come across. Again, if you want to start creating the easiest daily income 2026, the link is waiting for you in the description and pinned comment. Click it and get started today. Imagine waking up every morning and knowing you can make $200 or more with just a few taps. That's what the easiest daily income 2026 is delivering for people right now. One more time, if you're serious about the easiest daily income 2026, click the link in the description right now and secure your spot. This opportunity is still fresh, which makes it the perfect time to jump into the easiest daily income 2026. So go ahead and click the link in the description or pinned comment, check out the easiest daily income 2026 system, and start collecting your first commissions today. If this video helped you and you're ready to try the easiest daily income 2026, drop A in the comments and let me know you're in. Thanks for watching. Click that link, take action on the easiest daily income 2026, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's make 2026 your easiest and most profitable year yet.